Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to convert English into Urdu in Google Translate. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your Google Translate app. So here you will write a text like how are you. So here is the Spanish. You will simply tap on the Spanish and here you will simply search for Urdu. Here is the Urdu language. You need to download this language first. Okay, so we have been downloaded this language. It will take some while. So here is the translation of how are you. So you can write anything in this subscribe Syed Khan Tech channel. So here is the translation of this English word like Syed Khan Tech channel को subscribe करें. So this is the simple process. It is very easy process of translating any text of English into Urdu on Google Translate. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos like these tutorials. So thanks for watching.